This is your workpiece. Raw material editing and input the length of the tube. This 141 at inter, and here also the length.
10.1
Quantity 1. Programming screen. This is for A workstation. This is for B workstation. Now we program it for A workstation. From the whole spacing,
17.5
from the tube end to the first center of tube is 17.5, and frequency it means punching stroke, the punching times, just one, from the tube end to the center of the first hole, and from the first hole to the second hole, the whole center to center is 25. You would like to punch 52, and full and half means full means the whole through hole punch, half means punch on the one side of tube, and from your draw is the whole through hole punch, so it's full.
边壁刚才标一下。
And this is for the B workstation.
你看，你就在上面标，也是17.5。
17.5. This is the one, and this is the full through hole punching.
55。
25,
52。
52. That's all. When you punch, come to this. It's cushion screen. Then press this for the loading, and press again. It's punching.